Is your external component the jp2klib DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish JPEG 2000 Codec Engine links. Before we walk through the jp2klib troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the jp2klib, the JPEG 2000 library. It provides unmanaged routines for encoding and decoding high-fidelity JPEG 2000 image bitstreams. It manages the orchestration of wavelet-based compression manifests, essential for medical imaging and geospatial software data links. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. jp2klib is commonly required by games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy DirectX runtime files, while updating your GPU drivers resolves OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA dependencies. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the jp2klib file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Remember that jp2klib DLL is part of a complex ecosystem. Changing it manually without updating its dependencies can lead to permanent errors. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for jp2klib. Thank you for trusting us with jp2klib repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.